Alright guys, so 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you where the battery is located. It's not under the hood. So open the passenger side door, right side for me, and move the passenger seat all the way back till it stops. Under the seat there's this plastic piece. Lift it up. Once you lift it up enough, want to move the seat all the way forward. Once you get that all the way forward, you want to go in the back of the Jeep. And then you want to see that plastic piece over here. You want to start lifting it. And it should come out. No problem. Move this on the side and check it out. You got a battery right under over here. And that's the location of the battery. The reason why I'm accessing the battery here is because our Uconnect system is lagging out. What happened was the battery died for the Jeep and we jump started it, and now the Uconnect system's like lagging out. The screen stays like that. It turns off when the Jeep's off or when the doors are closed, but when it started and running, it just stays like that. I disconnected the negative terminal on the big battery here and nothing happened. The light stayed on. I guess there's another secondary battery. I don't know what that's for exactly, but what I did was I disconnected that and then I removed that. So that's a 10 millimeter, here's a 13 millimeter, and then all the lights went off in the Jeep. That's when I knew that finally there's no power. So what I did was I left that disconnected for about a minute. Now I'm gonna go hop in the Jeep and see if the Uconnect system is back. Let's go ahead, and here goes nothing. Start it right up. Oh, you're joking. Uconnect is back. I hope this video helped you. So far everything's working. If you're having problems with Uconnect, go ahead, disconnect the battery. Everything here seems to be working fine, so that's a good thing, I think. See if there's any updates or anything. Yeah, I'll check that out later. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments down below.